Hey guys, my name is Jannika and I am your German teacher. Today we are going to learn to say where we live and also to ask people where we live. So have fun! So let's start. I will read out the dialogue for you and afterwards we analyze it so you can learn how to say where you live in German. Let's go! Los geht's! The title is Wo wohnen Sie? Herr Gül, wo wohnen Sie jetzt? Ich wohne in Frankfurt. Frau Sanchez, wo wohnen Sie? Auch in Frankfurt. Und Sie, Frau Borisova, wo wohnen Sie? In Steinbach. Wo wohnt Herr Tang? Er wohnt in Bad Homburg. So, let's see what I just read out in German. Wo wohnen Sie? The title of the dialogue simply means where do you live? Translated literally, where live you? Okay. First phrase. Herr Gül. Mr. Gül. Herr Gül. Wo wohnen Sie jetzt? Wo wohnen Sie? You already know. Where do you live? But what does jetzt mean? Jetzt means now or at the moment. Wo wohnen Sie jetzt? Where do you live now? Ich wohne in Frankfurt. Ich wohne, I live in Frankfurt, as in English in Frankfurt. Frau Sanchez, wo wohnen Sie? Miss Sanchez, where do you live? So let's repeat. Mr. means Herr. So Mr. Gül was in German Herr Gül. But Miss Sanchez, we need to say Frau Sanchez. Again, the question to Miss Sanchez. Frau Sanchez, wo wohnen Sie? Auch in Frankfurt. Oh, what does this mean? Auch. Well, Herr Gül already said, ich wohne in Frankfurt. I live in Frankfurt. So Miss Sanchez says, auch in Frankfurt. Auch means also or too. Auch in Frankfurt. Let's go on. Und Sie, Frau Borisova, wo wohnen Sie? Oh, that's a really long phrase. Und Sie, and you, Frau Borisova, Miss Borisova, where do you live? Wo wohnen Sie? So she answers, in Steinbach. As in English, in Steinbach. Yeah, the city is pronounced Steinbach. Next question. Wo wohnt Herr Tang? Here somebody is asking about Mr. Tang. He's not asking Mr. Tang, he's asking about Mr. Tang. I read out once more. Wo wohnt Herr Tang? Where does Mr. Tang live? Er wohnt in Bad Homburg. Er wohnt, he lives, in Bad Homburg. So let's summarize what we just learned. We learned how to say where we live in the polite form. So let's start. Question number 1 is: Wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? I pronounce a little bit faster. Wo wohnen Sie? And we can answer simply: Ich wohne in. And of course name the city. Yeah? I live in. Ich wohne in. Example giving: Ich wohne in New York. Or you can pick out a German city. Ich wohne in Hamburg. Next question, if you want to know where anybody else lives, we can say: Wo wohnt Herr Tang? Where does Mr. Tang live? I pronounce once more a little bit faster. Wo wohnt Herr Tang? Or you simply can replace Herr Tang with a name. Wo wohnt Jannika? Where does Jannika live? Yeah? We can also answer this question. Er wohnt in. He lives in. Yeah? Example giving: Er wohnt in München. Yeah? We also learned how to say where we live now, in this moment. Ich wohne jetzt in. Let's pronounce jetzt again. Jetzt. It's very difficult. I pronounce once more for you. Jetzt. Okay, the whole phrase. I will pick out a German city to complete the phrase. Ich wohne jetzt in Stuttgart. So, and if we want to say I also live there, or I also live in Stuttgart, we say ich wohne auch in. Also means auch. It is very difficult to pronounce. It really takes some time. Auch. I give you the whole phrase once more, a little bit faster. Ich wohne auch in Stuttgart. So now I will ask you the questions and you will answer me in German, okay? Let's go. Wo wohnen Sie? I hope you said where you live in German. Example giving: Ich wohne in Melbourne, or ich wohne in London, or maybe you're from a very different country. Maybe you said ich wohne in Cairo. So now I ask you where Mr. Tang lives. You can pick out any city where he lives. Yeah, you can say he lives in New York, he lives in London, he lives in Spain, or Spain is not a city in Spain, I meant Barcelona. Yeah, I don't mind. Wo wohnt Herr Tang? So I hope you said something like wohnt in Berlin, or maybe wohnt in Hamburg, or any other city. Okay, please tell me where you live now. I will pronounce once more for you. Ich wohne jetzt in New York. So please tell me that you also live in New York. I hope you said, ich wohne auch in New York. So you're done with practicing. Yeah, really good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in one of my next videos, but do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.